Dear students, I am DK Das. Today we discuss about the dispersed dyes. Dispersed dyes are colored aromatic compounds mainly consist of 60% azo dyes and 25% anthraquinone dyes. In the remaining 50%, all remaining dyes are covered. For example, nitrodiphenyl, methine, stearyl, acrylene, benzimidazole, quinaphthalene, etc. They are essentially low molecular weight and slightly soluble in water. Therefore, dyeing is carried out with aqueous dispersion. These dyes are used for dyeing of polyester, nylon, acrylic and cellulose acetate fibers. These dyes melt at 150 degrees centigrade and are ground with dispersing agent to produce the particle size of 0.5 to 2 mu, which is essential to produce a stable dispersion in the dye bath for level and uniform dyeing. Classification of dispersed dyes. Dispersed dyes are classified into following main classes. Number 1, monoazo dispersed dyes. Number 2, diazo dispersed dyes. Number 3, anthraquinone dispersed dyes. Number 4, nitro dispersed dyes. These are the main classes. Monoazo dispersed dyes. Dispersed dyes molecule contain one azo group is known as monoazo dispersed dyes. Dispersed black 1 or dispersol diazo black B is an example of monoazo dispersed dyes. This dye is manufactured by coupling of diazotized para-nitroaniline with alpha-naphthylamine. Diazotization of para-nitroaniline 5 kg para-nitroaniline and 25 liters of hydrochloric acid has been taken in a rubber lined kettle. It is heated to boiling to dissolve para-nitroaniline, then cool down temperature by adding ice. Sodium nitrite approximate 2.8 kd is added into the kettle at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. Diazotates is completed in half an hour. In another kettle, 5.6 kg alpha naphthylamine is dissolved in 50 liters of water. 5 liters HCl is added and diluted to 200 liters by water and cooling the temperature 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. Coupling. Diazotized para-nitroaniline solution is added into alpha naphthylamine solution in 2 hours and stirring is continued at 0 to 10 degrees centigrade for 12 hours. After formation of dyes, dye solution make alkaline by adding 35% solution of sodium carbonate at pH 8. 20 kg sodium sulfide solution is added, then heat to 90 to 95 degrees centigrade and stirring is continued for 6 hours. The cold water is added to dye slurry filtered was for alkali free and dry. Then dispersing agent is added at pH 7 to 7.5 during grinding of dyes. Hence we get the dispersed black 1 dyes. Second dye is Sivasate orange 2RD. This dye is another example of monoazo dispersed dyes. This dye is manufactured by coupling of diazotized para-nitroaniline with N-dimethyl-aniline formed Sivasate orange 2RD. Diazotization of para-nitroaniline in presence of sodium nitrite and HCl, we get the diazotized para-nitroaniline. Then coupling. Diazotized para-nitroaniline is coupled with the dimethyl-aniline. It forms the Sivasate orange 2RD. Number 3rd, Suprasate brilliant orange 4R. This dye is manufactured by coupling of diazotized para-nitroaniline with 2,5-jalidine. Diazotization of para-nitroanilines in presence of sodium nitrite and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade by adding ice, and we get the diazotized para-nitroaniline. Then coupling reaction is carried out. Diazotized para-nitroaniline is coupled with the 2,5-jalidine and it forms the supracet brilliant orange 4R. Sivacet red 2G. This dye is manufactured by coupling of diazotized para-nitroaniline with 2,2-metatolulyl imino diethanol. Diazotization of para-nitroaniline is carried out by sodium nitrite and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade by adding ice, and we get the diazotized para-nitroaniline, and it is then coupling. Diazotized para-nitroaniline is coupled with the 2,2-metatolulyl imino diethanol, and after coupling we get the Sivacet red 2G. Number 5, disperse LO3. This is also disazodaz. Disperse LO3. This dye is manufactured by coupling of diazotized para-amino acetanilide with paracrisol. Diazotization of para-amino acetanilide in presence of sodium nitrite and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade by adding ice, we get the diazotized para-amino acetanilide, and this diazotized para-acetanilide is coupled with the paracrisol forms the disperse LO3. Next dye is disazodaz. Disperse daz containing 2 azo group is called the disazo disperse daz. Manufacturing of disperse azodaz supracet golden orange CR is an example of disazo disperse daz. Diazotized aniline coupled with the alpha naphthyl amine form monoazo compounds, and these monoazo compounds goes under the diazotization and then coupled with the phenol in weak alkaline medium forms the disazodaz. Aniline goes under the diazotization reactions, we get the diazotized aniline, and this diazotized aniline when react with the alpha naphthylamine forms the monoazo compound and these monoazo compounds react with the coupled with the phenols, and it forms the disazodaz supracet golden orange CR. Next dye is Saliton fast LO5R. Diazotized aniline coupled with the aniline itself form monoazo compounds. After diazotization of monoazo compound coupled with the orthocrisol form Saliton fast LO5R. Diazotization of aniline is carried out in presence of sodium nitrite and HCl. It forms the diazotized aniline, and then first coupling. Diazotized aniline coupled with the aniline itself form monoazo compounds, and these monoazo compounds having the amino groups goes under the diazotization again, and we get the diazotized monoazo compounds, and finally coupled with this compound with the phenol in weak alkaline medium, and it forms the Saliton fast LO5R. Next is disperse LO23. Aniline coupled with the diazotized aniline form monoazo aniline compounds, and monoazo aniline after diazotizations coupled with the phenol form disperse LO23. Diazotization of aniline, we get the diazotization of aniline by sodium nitrite and HCl, and then coupling with the aniline itself, it forms the monoazo aniline. Then it goes under the again diazotizations, we get the diazotized monoazo aniline, and after then it coupled with the phenols and we get the desired dyes, that is disperse yellow 23. Next dye is SRA orange first. This is also diazodase manufactured by coupling of diazotase para-nitroaniline with aniline form monoazo para-aniline azo compounds, and these compounds after diazotization coupled with the benzene formed SRA orange first dispersed dyes. Diazotization of para-nitroaniline, we get the diazotized para-nitroalanine by sodium nitrite and HCl coupling with the aniline, and these diazotized para-nitroalanine coupled with the aniline forms the monoazo para-nitroaniline. Then this monoazo compounds goes under the diazotization again, and we get the diazotized monoazo compounds coupling with benzene, and these monoazo compounds coupled with the benzenes, it forms the SRA orange first. And these are all about the azo dyes. And now we discuss about the anthraquinone dispersed dye. Anthraquinone dispersed dye contain the anthraquinone structure along with amino, methyl amino, monohydroxy, ethyl amino, dihydroxy, ethyl amino, nitro and methoxy group in the suitable positions. Manufacturing of 1,2-diamino anthraquinone dispersed dyes. Commercial name of this dye is Duranol Violet 2R. This dye is manufactured by reducing quinaserines with ammonia under pressure to get 1,4-diamino reduced anthraquinone, which on air oxidations form 1,2-diamino anthraquinone dyes. Quinaserine, when goes under the directions, we get the reduced quinaserine, then it is treated with the ammonia under pressures, we get the 1,4-diamino reduced anthraquinone, and after oxidations we get the 1,4-diamino anthraquinone dyes, that is Duranol Violet 2R. Duranel Brilliant Blue. This dye is manufactured by treating methylamine with reduced 1,4-diamino anthraquinone followed by oxidations, we get the Duranel Brilliant Blue. Number 3, Disperser Blue 7G, and this dye is manufactured by condensing the reduced 1,4,5,8 tetrahydroxy anthraquinone with ethanol amine followed by air oxidations, and we get the Dispersol Blue 7G. Next one is Sivasate Blue 2R. When 1-amino-4-bromo anthraquinone is condensed with aniline, formed Sivasate Blue 2R dyes. Nitro dispersed dye. This dye consists of nitro-diphenyl structures. Therefore, they belong to the nitro dispersed dyes. Manufacturing of nitro dispersed dyes are as follows. For example, Serisol yellow 2G belongs to this class, and this dye is manufactured by condensing of 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene with aniline. It forms the Serisol yellow 2Z. Next example is Dispersol fast yellow A. This dye is manufactured by condensation reaction of 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene with aminophenol. It forms the Dispersol fast yellow A. Next is Supracet yellow 5RD. This dye is manufactured by 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene condensed with paraphenylene diamine, forms the Supracet yellow 5RD. Next example is Dispersol fast yellow GC. When two molecules of aniline condense with 4-chloro-3-nitrobenzene, sulfonyl chlorides form the dispersol fast LOGC dies.